Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix blue screen of death in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the blue screen death called as BSOD on Windows 11. First, you need to check for hardware issues. If you install latest new hardware to your computer, please remove that one and check the connections are properly connected in your computer. And if yes, you can go with further methods. Secondly, you have to update the drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager option and find the problematic drivers like this kind of yellow mark. Right click on it, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. So in my case, Windows can't find that driver, so just close this one. So likewise, you have to check the every driver has updates, so you need to update that drivers. If that also not working, you have to do the system file checker. To do that, go to search bar here, search for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes, then you need to type sfc /scan now. Hit enter. This will take around 5 minutes to complete. Wait for the scan to complete. This will check and repair any corrupted system files. If that also not working, again you need to type this command dism all caps /online or should be capital /clean up -image /restore health. Make sure the caps are used as this one. Wait for the process to complete and this will repair the Windows image file. If that also not working, you can go to check the Windows update. To do that, press Windows +I again. It will be open settings menu. Then after, in the left side menu, go to Windows update, the last option. Then after, tap on check for updates. Then this will check the latest update related to your Windows version and it will be downloaded and installed automatically. Then after, you can check the error is gone or not. And other than that, you can do uninstall the recent updates. To do that, press Windows +I again. Go to Windows update section. Just tap on update history and choose the uninstall updates. In this list, you can see all the updates you are download right now, but you can see these two updates can't uninstall, because if it can, there is an uninstall button should be appear in here, because these two can't removable, so it will not be appear. If you see uninstall kind of button appear when it is clicked, you have to tap on uninstall and uninstall the update. So just close this one. And that also not working, you have to perform a system restore. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel, just tap on it. Make sure view by is set to large icons, then go to recovery option here, just tap on it. Tap on open system restore and it will be wait for that. Yes, it will be find the recent restore you can get in your computer. In my case, this is the restore file, so you can just tap on next, then it will be restore your system to this state, and then you can find the problem is fixed or not. And if it is not working, you have to check the disk errors. To do that, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes, and you need to type this command chkdsk /f/r and press enter. Follow the on-screen instruction to check and fix the disk errors. If that also not working, you have to boot into the safe mode. To do that, press Windows +R. It will be open run menu. Now you need to type msconfig and hit enter. It will be open this kind of menu. Go to boot menu and make sure tick the safe boot option. Tap on OK. Once you are in safe mode, you have to now you have to restart your computer. Then you can enter the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you can troubleshoot further, such as updating drivers or uninstall the recent updates. If that also not working, you need to go to the safe mode as I previously said. Then after, go to search bar, search for command prompt. Sorry for spelling mistake. Yes, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. Once the process is complete, again you need to type boot rec space and / fix boot. Hit enter. Once that also completed, again you need to type boot rec space / scan os. Hit enter. And that also completed. Finally you need to type boot rec space / rebuild BCD. Hit BCD. Hit enter. And you can follow these 10 methods to fix your blue screen death on Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.